Hi, and happy holidays. You guys, Christmas is fast approaching. Actually, it is next week because today is Friday, and I believe it's December 20th. So, yes, we are fast approaching Christmas, and it seemed like I just had a birthday. So, time is really flying. So, you guys, in today's video, listen. I told you guys I was going to order another one of something. Now, if you watched, then you know what that is. So, first of all, let me welcome all my new subscribers and my tree blues tight like glue. Hugs and blessings to you. If this is your first time here, hey, I'm Jill. Welcome. Here I do home decor, fashion, and lifestyle. So, now this season, so let me go ahead and confess. This season has been a little rough for me. You guys know the deal. And plus, I started some medication that was one of the side effects as well. So if you haven't seen as many videos, my apologies. It just charge it to the head, not my heart. Okay? So, girl, what did I get? Let me show you. Girl, okay? I gotta get it in right. So listen, I absolutely love Celine. I love her purses. I love her shoes. I love her son. Celine is just part of what my look is, and I love her. So I have been wanting a Celine bag. So thanks to my friends over at Coee Bags. Yes, ma'am. You guys, I have not opened it other than to take it out of the shipping package. This is as far as I got. So we're going to open this together. So let's see. So when you open it, this is what you see. So let's set that there. So you get your little card, your receipt. The normal stuff in here. This is just your normal stuff. So then you guys, but before we look at that, you get a bag. Is that not, listen, I'm not sure how fast they can get this to you as for Christmas, but, listen, I will take an after Christmas gift. I really will. And be really, really appreciative as if it was Christmas Day. So you get this gift bag. Baby, how about you got some tissue paper to go in your gift bag? Come on now. Come on, Coee, you thought of everything. Okay, and it seems like there's something else in here. Oops. So, okay, this is, let's see. Okay. I smell that because something is smelling good, you guys. I don't know, might be me. So anyway, you get these. This is a thank you card. So that's nice. This is, let's see. Okay, more cards. Okay. Look at me. Okay, I'm coming. So, and you, so I'm not really sure what this is for, but hey, extra storage of some kind. So, let's get to the good. I absolutely love this idea of the gift bags along with the tissue paper, because girl, don't you hate it when you wrap a gift, you're wrapping a gift, and you get down, and you're like, well, I be dang on. I done ran out of tissue paper. I try to keep tissue paper of all colors for different occasions. So that is a absolutely great touch. So on to this package. So let's open this. Told you guys I had not opened this, because this time I was going to do it with you guys. Okay. So you get some ribbon for your box. Great idea, great idea. Okay, so this is the dust bag. I don't know how well you can see that. You guys, today it's very, 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 very overcast. It was snowing earlier. Thank goodness it was just flurries and nothing stuck. So, anyway, we're going to take this out. And I wish you could see this. Oh, there you go. Can you see the like swirly, the detail in that? And then this is the inside of the bag. Come on now. So you guys, the color that I ordered, they had sold out of. So I had to get another color. The color they had sold out of was that Bordeaux color. That's the color that I originally wanted. But instead, I got a color that I don't have any solids in. No, maybe one. But it's not Celine. So here we go. So, oh my God, this feels so good. So it says Celine Paris right here. And yeah, it has the protective covering on it. Your stuffing. So this is the inside of the bag. It's two-sided with a zipper. Here's your zipper area. So the inside, you guys, is a suede. Nice touch. And it has some leather trim around this middle centerpiece. I don't know if you can see it or not. Wait a minute. This centerpiece. Right there. There you go. And then we've got protective covering on the zipper as well. So right here, it says Celine Paris. This is so cute for when you don't want to carry a very large bag. So once again, all the hardware is protected with this little plastic stuff, which is great because you don't want it all beat up before you get it. Well, I got that one off. I can't seem to get this one off. So then we have our strap, which is a guitar strap. Once again, you have your protection of your hardware. Now, you guys, I forgot the name of this one, but I will put it right here. So I'm going to add a little, what's on the outside. I'm going to add our strap. Oh shoot, I do need to get that off. 1 second, you guys. Maybe if I had my glasses on and I could see. Okay. Let me stuff this back. Stuff it. And here we go. So I'm gonna give you another angle. I'm gonna get up and show you what this looks like. But girl, look at that. I love her. So the strap has Celine on it as well, right there. And so that means I had this on there backwards. Because I don't think you, well, maybe you can't. Oh, yeah, you are. I was gonna turn it in, but no. Let's leave it like that. So, girl, let me stand up so you can see what this looks like on me. Okay, you guys. So here is the bag. Is she not fabulous? She is too cute. I absolutely love her. She's the right size for when you're trying not to carry, large bags. Say you're going to lunch, or say you're going to the movies or somewhere. You don't want a real big purse. This is fantastic. Come on, Coee. You did it again, you guys. So, I also have a discount code. It is the same as last time. Jill 13% for 13% off of your come on, Celine, off of your order. I'm sorry, you guys. I am just in love. She is fabulous. So, check Coee bags out. They have a bag for every occasion, whether it be a Christmas gift, a birthday gift, which someone in my family has a birthday coming up real soon. Whatever the occasion is, they have a bag. And listen, Coee not only sells bags, but they have shoes. They have, I saw shoes, I saw belts. They have all kinds of accessories for you. Now, for me and my big feet, I haven't seen any shoes yet in my size. But check it out if you have a smaller foot, sis. They got some shoes for you and some fabulous bags. When I tell you this bag is so soft, it's like butter. This is awesome. So let me bring you guys a little closer so I can close out and go fill my bag up. Once again, thank you, Coee Bags, for this fabulous Celine bag. I can now say I have a Celine bag. And you guys make sure you check them out. And get you a bag, get you a pair of shoes, some accessories, whatever you see that you like. So you guys, I'm gonna close here because, believe it or not, I still got a few little Christmas gifts to get. So I need to run out in the cold. And I never wait this long. But anywho, I love you from your toes to your soul. And until next time, stay safe and blessed. Bye, guys.